Today we're gonna be taking a look inside the phone. Are you ready? Let's do it. Right, let's take a look what's inside this app. Oh, I'm getting beat up in here. Alright, let's just ignore that for the moment. Let's just go to a bootleg game. Okay, this is a lame cover for the Xbox 360 port. Let's just look. Alright, are we gonna jump? Ow! Wow! That was a close one. That was just for bonus. That's not really a mobile game. So let's go back to looking inside phone. Now let's take a look at what's inside iMovie. Let's take a look what's inside this cool video editing app anyways. Whoa, it's a Mickey Mouse Days trailer. The full movie will be here tomorrow.